What is the real meaning of rice dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these type of dreams. So there are some common types of rice dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone eats rice in a dream, then it signifies a very quick and positive changes in the financial situation in life. Because now you are going to earn a lot of money very easily that will make you rich. Now number 2, if someone sees cooking rice in a dream, then it signifies a new beginning in life in the form of job, business, relationships, etc. But if a marriageable boy or girl sees cooking rice in a dream, then this dream also indicates that he or she will get married soon. Now number 3, if someone sees buying rice in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious and indicates happiness and success from all around in life. Now number 4, if someone sees rice crop or rice farm or field in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious and indicates that you will get prosperity and success in the coming future. Now number 5, if someone sees a pile of rice in a dream or sees rice kept in a sack somewhere in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious, which indicates getting immense wealth in life. Now number 6, if someone sees cleaning rice in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious, which indicates the end of all the troubles going on in life because of which you were not able to earn money till now. Now number 7, if someone sees stale or spoiled rice in a dream or sees himself eating it, then this dream indicates that this is not the right time to take risk in a new project or work. Otherwise you may have to face some kind of financial problems. Now number 8, if someone sees giving rice to someone in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious, which indicates a great opportunity for progress in life. Now number 9, if someone sees rice being used in worship in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious, which indicates fame and success in life. Now number 10, if someone sees eating or cooking rice pudding in a dream, then it signifies many positive changes in life that will completely change your life in a positive way with many successes. Now number 11, if someone sees or eats fried rice in a dream, then it indicates that you have the necessary skills and confidence to achieve something big in real life. So now you should take some steps to achieve the desired result in waking life because you are going to get success in your planning. Now number 12, if someone sees uncooked or raw rice in a dream, then it indicates that now you should have some patience in life because you will definitely get success in your work or project. Now number 13, if someone sees burnt rice in a dream, then it indicates that you will have to face some kind of problems to achieve the desired result in waking life.